lead from the front.
Well, we are getting a very big breaking news, big development in the Nirav Modi case, the extradition case, and it's a big development in the Nirav Modi extradition case. The Delhi High Court has taken up a request from the UK's King's Bench Division seeking India's judicial assistance in a civil case linked to Nirav Modi relating to a loan default dispute. The request routed through the Union Law Ministry under the Hague Convention on Taking of Evidence Abroad 1970 seeks a recording of evidence of a Delhi-based Bank of India official as a witness. So this is the latest development in the Nirav Modi extradition case. The Delhi High Court has taken up a request from the UK's King's Bench Division. So there was a request from UK's King's Bench Division that was seeking India's judicial assistance, a sort of help from India, a sort of assistance, judicial assistance from India in a civil case linked to Nirav Modi relating to a loan default dispute. The request through the Union Law Ministry under the Hague Convention on Taking of Evidence Abroad 1970 seeks a recording of evidence of a Delhi-based Bank of India official as a witness. So this pertains to taking the recording of evidence of a Delhi-based Bank of India official as a witness. All right, we have Rhythm with us on our phone line, our executive editor, legal Rhythm on our phone line. Rhythm, if you can put this into perspective, what does it exactly mean?
The UK Supreme Court had asked for assistance from the Delhi High Court. So simply put, the Delhi High Court has issued a notice to the central government. This is a request from the Supreme Court of England and Wales. They want to obtain a testimony from a Delhi resident. He's a witness in the Nirav Modi case. Justice C. Hari Shankar sought the assistance of the central government in the matter. Delhi High Court has also impleaded the parties before the King's Bench, including Nirav Modi. They've issued a notice to Nirav Modi also. However, while doing so, the Delhi High Court has clarified they are only issuing a notice impleading him for convenience. Let's also tell our viewers that as this is happening, this case is the King's Bench of Division had sought the judicial assistance from India. They want to record evidence in a civil case that's linked to Nirav Modi. The request is relating to a loan default dispute and seeking the examination of a Delhi-based Bank of India official. And therefore, this request has been routed through the Law Ministry. The Delhi High Court took up this matter. Now, this particular person, the Delhi High Court has issued a notice, and that person will be now, this matter will now be heard in the court, and the notice has been issued.
All right, Rhythm, is this a first of a kind of request that we have seen from the UK court, or has a request of such a kind been made before also?
Such requests often are made between two governments and between two nations, and sometimes in important matters. It's the first time such a request has been made in the Nirav Modi matter. Remember, Nirav Modi and his extradition process has continued in the courts in UK. Now the Delhi High Court has asked the government for assistance because this request comes from the Supreme Court of England and Wales. They want the testimony from a Delhi resident. This is a separate case from the extradition case of Nirav Modi. They want the assistance in this matter of the central government also. The High Court has therefore impleaded all the parties, including Nirav Modi, to get some help in this case. This case is going to be heard tomorrow. It's a purely civil case. It's separate from the extradition and the criminal proceedings that are continuing in India. Let's remember, Nirav currently in jail in the United Kingdom. That case is continuing, and in that case, Nirav is also now being given this notice in this case.
All right, Rhythm, thanks for your insight and the latest updates on this story.